Hi, today I got my Anker Bluetooth selfie stick from Amazon, and I bought this because it had a built-in Bluetooth shutter button, and it is Anker, and I bought a lot of Anker cables and power supplies, and they say it has a 99% rating. And it's made out of anodized aluminum. So let's take a look at it. It's nice and light. Feels solid. Got our USB charging cable and Anker's famous little button, little papers. Are you happy? Not happy? Let them know. And we have instructions which are very basic. You have how to turn it on, how to use your selfie stick, how to pair it with your phone. And then different specs. Now I have unboxed this already, and I have used it, and I found that the first time I powered it on, it would not power on for me. So I did have to charge it. I think I charged it for about 15 or 20 minutes. And then once I did that, I was able to depress the power button. Blue light would charge. I paired it with my phone. So I opened up the Bluetooth app on my phone, went into it, found the Anker selfie stick, and connected it. Once it was connected, I could take it in, and it loads in this really nice protected foam case that feels really solid. Turn your phone on, go into your camera app. Okay. Switch it to forward camera. Extend it. Adjust. And that's it. One thing I found that made me a little unnerved is holding it here. It's not really wobbly, but being that the battery is located at the bottom in the handle, I was expecting more heft to it. And that and the initial not powering on of the selfie stick did concern me, but it's taken great pictures. The shutter works flawlessly. I have no issues with that. And one of the things I found that was a bonus, and thanks to another Amazon reviewer, you can unscrew this. And if you have an action camera, I don't have a GoPro, but you're able to take that, slide that in, and there you go. This works in there. So if you are curious, does this work with a GoPro? Yes, it will if you unscrew this part. Detach the base that comes with it, and just as easy as it was to take off, pop that back on, and that's it. When you're done, depress the power button, it shuts off, fold it up, and you're good to go. So for $14.99, being an Anker product, am I happy or am I not happy? Right now, I'm happy.